let's get to Blossom from the Powerpuffs. Here we go. We're gonna start with a big round head, just like this. There we go. Looking very nice. I like round circles like that. And now we can do a lot of straight lines here, just like this. And what we're doing is we're making her hair. There we go, right there, like this and that. This, that. And there we go, looking nice. And now we can bring this up like that, and we'll draw a bow for her hair. Just like this, right there. Down. And then over here like this. And back down again. There we go, looking very good. Let's give Blossom a big old smile just like that. I like that. And now her eyes are so big that they actually go underneath her hair. So we're gonna start here with a little line there. And we're gonna continue her eyes all the way around like that. And then back up again. Looking good, everybody. And we're gonna go this side now and go all the way to the edge of her face. There we go, looking really nice. And now what we can do is make the pupil in the eye like this. Right about there like that. Very good. And now a little highlight like that. All right, we're looking good now. And now we can draw the other eye right about here. Right down to the edge of our face like that. And now we can bring this pupil here like this. Very nice. The highlight in her eye there like that. Just like the other one. And now another little line like this up there. Looking really good, everyone. And now our body comes down like this. Straight line. Just like that. With a little ballerina type toe like that. And then we'll bring the other side of our body over here like this. And we'll pretend our leg is going behind like that. Now let's draw a line right about here. Looking good. And a little bit of a ballerina shoe like that. I like it. Now we can draw this bit here where her pants would start and her shirt ends. And now we can make a stripe on her shirt, just like this. Very nice, looking good. And now we can make an arm over here. We'll have it as if she's tucking her arms on behind her back, just like this. And that, I like it. And we'll continue her hair down as if she's got a very long ponytail, all the way down like this. Oh, I like it. Just like that. And a little bit of texture for the hair. Right like that. Very good, everybody. It's Blossom from the Powerpuffs. Let's get to the color. Blossom has orange hair, light skin, pink eyes and pink stripe, and a dark pink bow, black shirt, shoes, and eyeballs. Thanks, everyone.